Now, a new private pilot in the Fresno area.
That's right. She just completed a special summer program in the Midwest to do that. And you'll see she is not just another pilot. In fact, she's still got homework on weeknights. Anywhere from 4,500 to more than 6,000 feet up, and the person in the cockpit.
I really like heights. I like roller coasters and thrillers and stuff.
17-year-old Duncan Polytechnical High School senior Angela Xiong.
I really like flying just because I'm up there and I'm alone and I know what I'm doing, and it just gets better.
The Air Force Junior ROTC cadet just got her private pilot's license during a summer course at Kansas State. Angela was awarded a $20,000 scholarship to do it, meaning she learned these controls.
My private license and then my driver's license right after.
Before tackling driving. What's more, Angela says she had never been on a plane before all of this. So Colonel James Shepard at Fresno Squadron of the Civil Air Patrol helped get her ready.
Yeah, she flew with me on her first one.
My motion sickness, it was getting to me, and I was feeling queasy.
She did just fine. I didn't even know you were getting that sick.
Clearly a feeling Angela has gotten over since the Midwest.
I was able to land, and I did my first solo, and it was, you can say, the best feeling. I felt so great.
Reaching new heights both personally and physically.
If you guys ever go up there one day, just sit there, relax, and enjoy the view.
Angela's scholarship program is part of a new Air Force initiative to address the pilot shortage. And by the way, Angela can only fly a Cessna 172.